Hey friends, if you wish to fix and repair broken search in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now wait for the processes to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. If it doesn't appear here, then you can also check for it in the background processes section. Now, it won't be at both the locations, but on either of them. This process will always exist. Otherwise, start is not going to work. The next one is to simply restart the computer because when you restart the computer, it restarts all internal processes. So, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is to restart the Windows search service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services and then search for Windows search service. Right click on it and then select restart here. And the last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.